Hello, for today I'm going to teach you how you could possibly download the MS Logo in your computer. I presume that you are using Windows for your operating system. Then I will be opening my favorite search engine. For me, I am using Mozilla Firefox. In the search box, I will be typing here MSW Logo. Enter, and this is the one that I'm looking for. MSW Logo download. Click on it, and then I am given this window. Scroll down. I'll be using the scroller in my mouse to go down, and okay, click those unnecessary pop-ups. Where is it? There. It says here MSW Logo 6.5B for PC, free download for PC. Click on this one, and then you could see in your window it says here download, always available, Subtonic servers, and then click this one. Okay, now wait for it, it's downloading. To show notification for the latest news and updates, I will do cancel. I don't like them to send me anything. And then you'll be left with this window that says, would you like to save this file? You'll click on save file. If you are using this search engine, Firefox, you would see that the downloads are displayed on the upper right corner of your window. So if it's completely downloaded, you would see that there's a blue light in there. Click on it, and you could see that it says there completed. After I have downloaded the MSW Logo, I would go to my downloads over here, and then search for the downloaded file. Click on it, and then right click, run as administrator. So in order for you to install this to your computer, you have to be an administrator of your computer. So click, right? So it will be installed by itself. Just click next, and then it says here which part of your drive you're going to save it. So you can choose if you have another preferred drive. For me, I will just be using the C drive for this one. So I'll click next, and then where would I save it? I would save it in the first one, the default one, located in accessibility. Alright, click next, and then it would run and wait for it, and voila, it's already installed in our desktop. And let me try, it will open. Double click on it. Okay, so there we go. Our Microsoft logo is already installed in our computer.